In front of me is HUAWEI Y7a, and let me show you how to activate automatic system updates. So at first you need to open the settings, then find and select System and Updates, and click on OK. So actually we do not have unlock developer mode. To do it we have to go back and reach About Phone. Now tap 7 times on build number, enter your screen lock password to confirm that it's actually you, and then you can open System and Updates as previously. And as you can see, developer options appeared here, so smoothly click on it, scroll a bit lower, and here you've got automatic system updates. Mark the switcher, and that's it. From now on, your HUAWEI Y7a will be updated automatically. And this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.